Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your credit card with NCB. So first you need to go to their Manage My Card website, and I'm going to be showing the link here. So once you're on the website, go ahead and select sign in. Then enter your user information, check the I agree box, then select login. Now we're going to be looking for the option that says request a replacement card. Next, I'm going to be choosing the card that I'm going to be replacing. After choosing the card, we're going to be presented with the replacement form, where the first information that we're going to be seeing on it is our contact information or the customer information. So if any of your contact details have recently changed, you can always edit it by clicking here. So after you've checked that all of that information is correct, you're going to scroll down and you're going to be see the list of different reasons for replacing the card. So if the card is lost, you're going to select that option. Then it's going to ask for you to enter the last amount that was spent on the card and the name of the merchant that you spent that last amount with, as well as the date that the transaction was made. Once you've entered all of that information, you're going to scroll down and select continue. Now, if the card is stolen, you're still going to be asked to enter the last amount that was spent on the card, the merchant that last amount was spent with, the date that the transaction was made, and in addition, you will also be asked if you have reported the theft to the police. Now, if you select yes, they will ask that you indicate the date that you made the report and for you to also enter the name of the police station by which you have made that report. So once you've entered all of that information, you're going to scroll down and select continue. Now, if it's a case where you were supposed to receive a card and you haven't received it, you're going to select the option that says not received. Once you select that option, you're going to scroll down to the box where you can enter any additional information, then you select continue. Now, lastly, if the card is damaged, you can select that option, and in the box below, you can enter any additional information, then select continue. Once you select continue, there will be a little pop-up message on the screen just letting you know what will happen once the card is being replaced. There is a button below it that says I wish to continue. You are required to check that box and then select submit for the replacement process to begin. Anyways guys, that was my really short tutorial on showing you how to replace your credit card with NCB.